Hey guys, welcome back. So this is our next question from Leetcode SQL 50, question number 577, employee bonus. So here's the question. We have two tables here, the employee table and bonus table. And in the employee table, we have the employee ID, name, supervisor, and salary. And then in the bonus table, we have the employee ID and bonus. And the employee table has the employee information and the bonus table has the bonus information. So we can see employee ID is common in both of these. And it says each row of this table contains the ID of an employee and their respective bonus. So each employee will have an employee ID here and the respective bonus. So here's the question. Write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than $1,000. Return the result table in any order. And let's go down here. Let's see an example input. So let's say if we have these four employees and this is the bonus information. So the output would be this. So we'll see the bonus amount of everyone. So we'll see the name and the bonus amount of everyone who has a bonus of 1,000 or less. Okay, now I'm gonna open my Management Studio. And what I've done here is I've already created these two tables and I'm gonna keep the question on the right so you can see the sample input and output. And here I've recreated both the tables. Okay, so we have both the tables here. So I'm gonna start querying the table. So I'm gonna do select all from my employee table. I'm gonna call it E. And then so now we have to decide if you want to left join or do an inner join, what kind of join we need. And you can see that in the output we are also including employees that do not have any bonus. So you see all those nulls here. So that means we have to use a left join, because inner join you'll miss out those entries, you'll miss out those records. So I'll do a left join and I'm gonna join my bonus table. I'm gonna call it B. And I'm going to join these two tables on the employee ID. So I'm going to say E.employee ID equals B.employee ID. And we are looking for all employees whose bonus is less than 1,000. So I'm going to say where bonus is less than 1,000. Simple enough. But if I execute it now, you notice I'm only getting Dan. I'm not getting the other two employees here. So if I just run it as is, I'm not getting John and Brad here. I'm only getting Dan here. So the trick here is to handle nulls. So one of the things I can do is I can just put or bonus is null and it's gonna take care of it. So if I execute it, I'm gonna see all the employees who got less than $1,000 bonus, including the ones who did not get any bonus, because that's what we are expecting. So we can simply do this, or we can use another function called is null. So what it does is it handles null. If the value in bonus is null, is going to convert it to 0. So now we have a number here, we have an integer. So let me take this out. So if I execute it now, it's going to give us the same thing. So here's the expected output. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.